Gravity. Newton knew that gravity is a force that attracts objects to each other, and his laws predict the strength of this force with fantastic precision. But how does gravity actually work? How does the Earth pull on the Moon across hundreds of thousands of miles of empty space? They behave like they are connected with some kind of invisible rope. But everyone knew that wasn't true, and Newton's laws provided no explanation. And after more than 250 years, Einstein came to think of three-dimensional space and single dimension of time as bound together in a single fabric of space-time. By understanding the geometry of the fourth dimension of space-time fabric, we could simply talk about things moving across the surface of space-time, because the secret to gravity lies in the nature of space-time. Like the surface of trampoline, this unified fabric warped and stretched by heavy objects within it like stars and planets. And that turns out that warping or curving creates what we feel as gravity. Now, if space-time was like a stretchy fabric, what would happen if I put something heavy on space-time and throw it a small ball in a circular path in the fabric? The ball travels along in the indentation in space-time fabric that the heavy object creates. And this is how gravity actually works. To understand this, let's make an experiment. Let's create a cosmic catastrophe. Without any warning, the sun had completely disappeared. Now, if the sun disappeared as a result of the gravitational disturbance, it would form a wave travels across the surface of space-time fabric with the same speed of light, in much the same way that a pebble dropped to a pond makes ripples travel across the surface of the water. So, we wouldn't feel change in our orbit around the sun until this wave reached the Earth. And this is how gravity actually works. It's the warping of space-time caused by the objects within it. The moon is kept in orbit not because it pulled to the air by some mysterious force, but rather because it travels along the curve in space-time fabric that the Earth creates. In other words, gravity is the shape of space-time itself.